Today we are going to discuss about the life cycle of mushroom. So, how many steps in the life cycle of the mushrooms and what are the main parts of the life cycle we will discuss in this class. You know that mushroom is a reproductive structure. It is produced by fungi. So, it consists of different parts. The fruiting party of the mushroom, the macroscopic form. We can easily observe the mushroom by our naked eye. Let us see the mushroom's life cycle. So this is I already told you that this is the structure of the mycelium. So the mushroom structure, we can find out the different parts. Okay, cap, stalk and all the things. Yeah. Now, life cycle of the mushroom. Life cycle of the mushroom begins and ends through the 5 stages. There are 5 stages in the mushroom life cycle. So beginning as the fungal spore, this is the spore, Basidiospore. Starting stage of the mushroom is the spore, Basidiospore. So we are called as seeds. And it is completed its life cycle as a mature fruiting body which we can easily observe by the naked eye. The part of the mushroom we all identify and know that release the new spores to create the new cycle all over again. So in the mushroom life cycle, the lifespan varies between fungi species. So different lifespan can be observed in the different fungal species. One complete life cycle could take 1 week. Sometimes one mushroom life cycle should be completed by 1 week. Some mushroom species, their life cycle should be completed by a month or sometimes more than 1 month. As each stage of mushroom life cycle is completed, all the division and the creation of the next generation of the fungal organism begins. Let us see the pictorial picture of the mushroom life cycle. See, so this is the mature fruiting body of mushroom. So this is all the mycelium. Clear? This is the mycelium which is in the substratum. The substratum may be soil, the substratum may be paddy straw, the substrate may be any other pet part. Okay, this is the mushroom. So this is called as gills. Gills. When we observe the gill, we can find out these Basidia. So the Basidia cross section in the gill, we can observe this, and it goes to the karyogamy. So ఇక్కడ ఉండేటువంటి Basidia 2 న్యూక్లియస్లు కలిసి బెసిడియం గా మారుతుంది. ఇది డిప్లాయిడ్ స్టేజ్ లో ఉంటుంది. సో బెసిడియం లో ఉండేటువంటి న్యూక్లియస్ డిప్లాయిడ్ స్టేజ్ లో ఉంటుంది. తర్వాత ఇది మియోసిస్ జరిగి బెసిడియం లో ఉన్న న్యూక్లియస్ మియోసిస్ జరిగి అండర్గోయింగ్ టు ద మియోటిక్ డివిజన్ and it produce 4 haploid Basidiospores. One Basidium nucleus, it is diploid in condition. It is undergoes to the meiotic division and it produce 4 haploid Basidiospores. So the Basidiospores ploidy is haploid. Basidium nucleus ploidy is diploid. Okay, right. See the first division, the second division, blastospore division. Totally, these spores are Basidiospores. Yeah. So these Basidiospores act as seeds. వాటిలో మనం సీడ్స్ అంటున్నాం. ఆ బెసిడియోస్పోర్స్ ని మనం తీసుకొచ్చి సబ్స్టాండర్ మీద యాడ్ చేస్తే సాయిల్ మీద కానీ ప్యాడీ స్ట్రా మీద కానీ దాని మీద బనానా లీవ్స్ మీద కానీ న్యూట్రియంట్స్ అన్ని రెడీ చేసి యాడ్ చేస్తే అప్పుడు మైసీలియం గ్రో అవుతుంది. See, The spores can be grown on the substratum. The mycelium automatically grown up. So this is the mycelium. So mycelium produce the fruiting bodies. This is the early stage of the fruiting body. This is the next stage of the fruiting body. This is the mature stage of the fruiting body. So this is the agaricus bisporous life cycle, or any button mushroom or mushroom's life cycle. Clear? So this is the pictorial picture of the mushroom life cycle. Mushroom life cycle. Right. So already I told you that the Basidia, which are in gills. ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయని చెప్పా, గిల్స్ లోపల. గిల్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయి? పైన ఉన్న క్యాప్ లో ఉన్నాయి. ఏమంటారు దీన్ని? క్యాప్. దాన్ని మన పైలస్ అంటారు సైంటిఫిక్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ annulus. ఇది స్టెమ్ ఆర్ స్ట్రైప్, స్టాక్. సో దీనిలో ఉండేటువంటి గిల్స్ ని మనం ఓపెన్ చేస్తే ఇవి ఉంటాయి. ఇవి కింద, ఇవి బెసిడియోస్పోర్స్ అంటాయి. ఇవి బెసిడియమ్స్. బెసిడియోస్పోర్స్ ని ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తాయి. Next, see the picture of the Basidiospores. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each basidium can produce 4 haploid basidiospores. Okay, next. When observing the microscope, under the compound microscope, the basidiums are look like. See the picture of the basidiospores. Next. So this is the mycelium. This is the fungal mycelium. So basidiums germinate, produce the mycelium. This is the mycelium of mushrooms. Next. This is the Basidiocarp. This is the Basidiocarp. A large sporophores or the fruiting body in which sexually produced spores are formed on the surface of the club-shaped structures are called as Basidia, the basidial carp. Next. So importance of mushrooms. Mushrooms are as source of the protein. Mushroom as source of vitamins. Mushrooms as source of minerals. Mushrooms as source in medicine. So that's why mushrooms are widely used around the world. In India, in Andhra, in our district. So that is the importance of the mushroom and life cycle of the mushroom.